Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to save all contacts on iCloud from iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, in order to save your contacts to your iCloud, you'll need to log into your iCloud. For example, I have already logged into my iCloud, so it shows your profile on this page. If you haven't logged into your iCloud, please do log in. Then once you log in, go to your settings application. Once you're on the settings application, tap on your profile at top. Then once you're on this page, tap on this option iCloud. Then once you get to this page, tap on this show all button. Then it will show everything that has been backed up in your iCloud. Then make sure this contact button is toggled on. If this option is turned off, toggle this button to turn it on. And once you do that, all your contacts will be uploaded to your iCloud. Once you upload all your contacts to your iCloud, it will be much safer and easier to access to your contacts. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.